Behind us is a 2005 Carrera S, special to me because I purchased it with my wife 10 years ago exactly. We did so when life was getting a little sour because she was diagnosed with multiple sclerosis. And this was our way of adding a little bit of lemonade to our lives, a little sunshine, as she liked to put it. And as her abilities kind of got stripped away from her illness, this car kind of picked up the slack, became her mobility. And it became a lot more than just a car to us. In the beginning, we used to keep it really clean. And then at some point, it felt like the more miles we put on it, and Nicole her health was ailing in the other direction. Somehow it being dirty sort of, I don't even remember how it started. It just became sort of our moniker. The last time this was even just barely washed at all was over 1.5 years ago at the Smoking Tires facility. And mileage-wise, that doesn't sound like that long ago, but mileage-wise, it's over 40,000 miles because it's been around the country 2 full times and then this trip so far already now too. So the interior probably hasn't been cleaned in 4 or 5 years, maybe more than that. I'm religious about cleaning 2 things. I clean the windows and the wheels all the time, a couple times a week if I drive it regularly. But the rest, no, the rest needed some ammo. Our life with that car had this amazing story, and then here it is now kind of continuing, me in the car as sort of like maybe almost a personification of her. That's what you're here to help me with. It's time to refresh this story a little bit and take it forward.
Hey, good to see you. Come on in. Come on in.
I'm a little nervous. I brought some friends.
Yeah,
I hope that's
of course. That's cool. I'm Larry. Nice to see you.
Crap. Holy cow. Yeah. That has never been like that.
Wow. Yeah. Sounds good.
It does sound good.
I secretly fell in love with your car, and I think if I were to purchase one, I don't think it would be as cool. That's the problem. Because this has like a thing that's like, can't really be replicated, I don't think.
I'm glad to hear that you came to that conclusion, because I have 3 different friends who have bought 997-1s after being in or riding in or driving this car.
Right.
And they're not the same.
What about, okay, here's my idea. I buy a car and then I give it to you. Then you drive it around the country.
Done.
Make it all how you did it and then give it back to me.
I love it.
You like that idea?
Yeah, are you buying gas too? Gas and snacks?
That's it. What are you using to shift a car right now? Why does it look like the arm of the Terminator?
That's what everybody says. This is the numeric shifter. It's a pretty common mod with 997s. We previously had the GT3 shifter in. That was my version of modding the shifter, just upgrading to another Porsche part. But there's still a lot of plastic bits, and with the kind of mileage we do and the long-term mileage we do, because I'll do 1,000 miles a day, a couple days in a row.
Wow.
The parts just wear up. You know, shit just happens. It's plastic, it wears out.
Yeah.
So
that's not wearing out.
They designed a product that won't wear out.
I would definitely say that it's not going to wear out. That's a piece of hardware right there.
Yeah, and honestly, I didn't think I needed it. I love it.
I guess
I'm surprised how many people know the car.
Yeah.
Because to me, it's still sort of like me and my wife's thing.
Yeah.
And
yeah.
It's definitely not just that anymore.
You've affected a lot of people.
Oh, yeah. I mean, her story was amazing.
Yeah.
Yeah, she was a powerhouse, man. I really wish you could have met her when she was in her prime and working.
I do too. Yeah.
She was really fun to be around.
She seemed like
she would have loved this experience.
Quite a character.
Yeah. And with the sickest sense of humor you could possibly imagine.
Yeah.
Nothing could possibly offend her.
I thought it was really good at the end of that video. I thought it was very special when you said, I don't know her, or what, that kind of line, whatever. And she found it very funny.
I just knew what buttons I could push to get the reaction.
Yeah, that was cool.
And that was our magic.
Yeah.
I think that's why she stayed alive as long as she did.
How long were you married?
11. This is no joke. 11 years and 1 month.
Wow.
We were together 15 years, but
Yep.
when she died, the 111s were always a thing for us. And she made it.
Yep.
Pretty crazy.